Okay, I think this works. Fuck yeah. Oh, this could be a weird video. Essentially, what's happening is I have some old random ass hardware, as you can see here. Some network switches. That's connected by power. And an old computer that I just still have around. This is becoming well, what I'm planning with is a NAS, but yeah, as you see, it's not built yet. So there's a bit of just a documentation of just a random ass, almost broke ass university student trying to build a NAS. This just a destroyed hard drive. Why? Well, the data had been destroyed and it didn't have any interface with it. So, either way, let's get started. Hopefully, yeah. Now some random ass wires I got. This can go for now. Oh yeah, like fucking 10 meters of wire I got. It was kind of cheap for what it is, but I should just buy a second hand, which makes a lot more sense. So, let's introduce our main system. Hopefully this still works. It's an OEM. Oh, shit. It's an OEM motherboard that I've plugged in an i3, I think? 3rd gen, maybe? The CPU is secondhand, the motherboard is secondhand. I did buy kind of new RAM, not not in this economy, but like years ago. As you can see, they are mismatched. These are, come on, focus. SP DDR3 1600s, 8 gigs, I think. I'm pretty sure they're 8 gigs, and these are the ones that I bought specifically for making this a better usable NAS. The original stick is still this one that I just put in because capacity, because why not? These are ADATA DDR3 4 gigs. So I think in total this system has 20 gigs. Haven't booted in like forever, years. Obviously, Silent Cool Assassin, just to make sure that it cools. Hopefully everything is alright. There was this heatsink. Had to drill a bit out. Oh. Had to drill a bit out of there. So, hope. Also, yes, I did fashion a case out of the motherboard. And random ass motherboard box. So yeah. Other than that, I do already have a power supply, but let's introduce the more maybe interesting parts. Maybe, I don't know. Just out of a random tangent. The screen broke on this. I took the string out. These are the Wi-Fi antennas. And now it's a laptop. Doesn't have any data on it, so it doesn't boot. But I think it still works technically. So, other than that motherboard, I also have this one, which is an i3. Oh no, this is the 3rd gen. Yeah. Not too sure if this one's better or that one's better, or even if this motherboard even works. But yeah, I think I'll try with that motherboard first, that one, and then I'll see if this one is any good. But other than that motherboard CPU, obviously, well, technically it doesn't need a GPU. But so happened that years ago I've found a GPU in a secondhand store for only 10 euros. And I got an HD 7770 Sapphire. Obviously only just one, it's a bit bent, it's fine. I think. Obviously, not the most powerful GPU, but I think it should work as like a fine transcoding one. It's only 1 GB, but like, well, we'll see. This is kind of just an introduction to this project, really. That's just what type of hardware I have. Gonna just publish this online, see what the reactions are. Probably nobody's gonna watch, but I'll see. Yeah, obviously, other than that, power supply. This is the box for my power supply of my main PC. Not the power supply I got for this project. Well, not even I got. Because this is gonna get my power supply. This is gonna get my power supply from my first ever build. A Corsair, I think, pretty sure? No, a Cooler Master. Fucking non-modular thing. It's a Cooler Master Bronze 550 watts. Well, I'm pretty sure it'll definitely be enough for an old ass computer build. But we'll see. But we'll see. But yeah, the one problem is I don't think I have an extra power plug. Then again, I can just steal it from this because I don't think I'm gonna hook it up just yet. But yeah, other than that, in this box is just some random crap. I think first of all, let's open box build this system. Some on top of the switch, I think. But for that, I do need a building surface. That is good enough. I don't care. I'm gonna use this Asian store. Gonna use this Asian store bag as just to make sure that's, you know, nothing shorts on the on top of this case. Yeah, obviously. First off, power supply. It is off, so that's good. Okay, that was weird. Camera turned off. Maybe overheated, maybe it just did something else, but I don't know. Either way, the computer. Plug in the 24 pin. Here it is. Jesus Christ, it's the first time in years I've had to work with an non-modular power supply. Yeah, the second one I got is immediately a modular one, which is I'm super grateful for because I hate this. I think I need to do that. So I don't think this has a video out normally. No, it doesn't. So yeah, with that, GPU. Well, I don't need a GPU, but like, I'll put a GPU in just for sure. Thing is, I have already ordered a case for this, so it will arrive sometime, probably next week. It's the PCI 8-pin. Yeah, well, don't even need 8-pin. I need 6. No, that's a CPU power. Oh yeah, almost forgot CPU power. That will be here. Yep. Now PCI. Yep, there's the PCI one in here. I think that should do it. Hopefully nothing shorts. Okay, seems fine. Seems good. I then now need to actually short it though. This, I think it is. No. Nope. Dead? Or did I just... Okay, let's see, is the fan plugged in? Yeah, that's plugged in there, that one's plugged in there. Be right back in a bit. So, found out what happened. Apparently, the power there is just off. Why is it beeping? Is it? Oh, and it turned off. No idea what happened, but I'll figure it out and I'll come back in a bit. Oh, did it reboot itself? No. Yes. Sure. I'll do something. Alright, so I think I got it working. I think the motherboard was just broken. I've swapped over the CPU. This apparently is an i7 2nd gen, and it was much better than the other CPU, so I just swapped it over. Everything is transferred over, and all I need to do now is to boot it. Obviously, as always, the first plug of USB is always wrong side, and if you hear something, that's I'm printing right now some spacers for my main table. But either way, let's get this. It's this one. Oh fuck. Need to turn on the power supply, obviously. No idea why there's a UEFI BIOS thing, but I think it's fine. That way I know at least it is playing. RAM check is good. Everything is good. Oh, keyboard lit up. Now it should output, if the GPU works, which I know it works, but I'm not too sure if it even has drivers, because it goes through that. I don't think it's working, so let's unplug this. Oh, fucking hell. Why did I screw these in? Okay, let's plug this in. There we go. And it's receiving power. I didn't use no signal. Do I need to restart it? 4, 5, and then reboot. Come on. Come on, I know you work. Booted you into the boot up sequence before. Don't tell me it's trying to boot off from the GPU, but I just can't get it to work because it's an old ass GPU like that, or DisplayPort Mini and such. It might be that. Ah, fucking hell. Okay, I'll be right back. There we go. It's booting. Enter BIOS. Yes, there's a monitor on here. Current BIOS must fully support the boot device. Click enter to enter. Yeah, sure. Jesus Christ, what the fuck is this? Oh, that's where I am. Power saving, normal. Asus optimal? Nah. Let's do enter advanced. Yes, thank you. What is this? DR4 gigs? Yes. AI tweaker? Sure. No, that's fine. What's this? saving mode. That's power saving OC tuner. Nah. But yeah, I think this works. That is wrong. It's not 2000 and thing. Advanced CPU config. Yep, it looks like it works. So that's it for this video of this. I have no idea how I'm gonna turn this video, but this thing boots now. Maybe it does not quite work with GPU yet because it probably doesn't have the drivers. But yeah, other than that, it looks very cool. 24 degrees. Yeah, sure. It's good enough. Yep. But yeah, other than that, I'll set it up like when I've got the case and everything set up. But yeah, I need to wait for the case. I need to wait for the case, set up my main PC so that I can transfer all the files I want to transfer on this NAS, and then also put in some already gotten hard drives that I'm not too sure. It's probably on end of life, but they still work. So yeah, see maybe you guys next time. So the case is here. It's way bigger than I expected, like 61 centimeters tall. I'll unpack it and see how big it actually is. Be right back. Well, it's unpackaged. Christ, it's fucking white. I'll get the accessory out and see what's included. Anyway, yeah, accessories. Let's see. Yeah, it's a context box. Yes. Screws. Oh yeah, the two hard drive trays. And the fuck is this? Ah, the covers. RNA quests. And the other one. Okay, I might keep this box. Let's see. Go in here. Just some braces and such. Yep. The thing is, I still don't quite like that it's white. But oh well. Jesus Christ. At least it's nicely ordered. That's it. Looks like about hardware tray. And another rail. Oh no. Sorry, rails, yeah. Instructions, but yeah, I'll figure it out. So that's that. I think I'll start putting stuff in. Not too sure how well I can film the building process, so I think I will just skip that and show you the final results before the hard drives and all that shit. So yeah. In a bit. So, it's built. It works. It's nicer than my fucking PC. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. At least RGB wise, fucking nicer. My main PC is just this. Oh, the case, like it had RGB fans in front. That's it. That's all just my components. The case is nicer than my fucking main PC. It's way bigger. Like 10 centimeters or 20 or something like that. But fucking hell. Obviously, cables aren't the best. Some mess there. Good thing there's like cable covers on the backside. I had to remove the the shroud on this because yeah, the screws are bad already. So yeah. Anyways, it boots. Don't think there is any public IP, so that should be fine. Then, and I'm logged in here. So yeah, that will be it for my NAS build for now. I will order some. I'll order some drives later, and then I'll see what happens.